Okay, so I'm gonna show how I would extend this data in the table to make it bigger, the table range. I'm going to do this in two phases. Let's just jump into it. So you can see that, imagine you had loads of items and you just wanted this table to be bigger. So we would come into here and we would say adjust table range here, and the table goes until M24. So I'm going to come out of that and just show you that down here, if you see here, we've got M, which is the last column there, and the top row is 2, and it goes currently from M2 right until this column row there, and that's 24. So it goes from actually D at the top left here, D2 to M24. Now, say we want to extend it down to, for example, 60. Okay, so we wanted to go from D2 to M60, but actually we also want to add in those 2 extra columns because we want to add dates and a check-off box. So I'm actually going to go to M60, O60. So it's O60 is the date range we want to extend to. So I'm going to come back up here, adjust table range, and M, and it's O. I make sure that's O, and then 60. Bit of a weird way to do this, like that, but okay, O60. Now, don't freak out, because what it's done is it's kind of like splattered on top of that the data types, but it's kind of on top of our nice formatting. But that's fine. I'm going to actually just zoom out a bit there so you can see overall. We just need to extend that formatting. It's really easy now. I'm going to do it with you right here. So I'm going to take this column D, and you can see when you go to fill color, you can see that's already being used. There is that one there, so I just tick that one. Of course you can change all of these, but if you want to use what I've been using, just see what's already in use. It's that tick column there. This one's yellow coming up here, that yellow column there, that orange one is this down here. It's a custom orange. I just made it a bit lighter than the bright one. Again, I can do 2 columns at the same time here, and we've got yellow. This green, which I was thinking, I like this green. It's a bit of a sort of cheery, happy green. I really like it. And then this grey will be a gentle, not so dark grey, that one. And now we're going to have a date column, so I need a new column that will be for dates, and I'm going to just pick another one down here, but it's kind of like a purpley colour for dates. And then here, this will be check off. And so let's have a new colour for that, something different. So it's hard because we kind of got used all those ones up that we're used to. I need a different one. I don't know if that's going to be different enough. Oh, we haven't got a blue column, so that's cool. So that will be for dates. So what we will do, I said I would do this in 2 stages. Well, it's come into sort of several stages. So the first thing we do is select the area. Then we've come in and we've corrected the color formatting, and now we want to add here a data type. This will be the dates, so we want edit column type dates. So we'll just keep it a date because I can keep it simple there rather than date time or time date. So that's going to expect from us a date, so you can enter in there a date. So you can see November, for example. Today is maybe a Black Friday thing, and some things I know that Tetra extends to Sunday. Oh, actually, I'm not sure about that. I need to check. This is the whole point, actually. So this one will be a data type will be, where's the data type again? That's right, it's this downward thing there. Edit data type will be a drop down, a tick box. That's right, a tick box. Okay, so I'll need to relabel this column date. And this one will be check. Check. Who doesn't like to check things off when they're done? So that will take, I'll need to make that black as well because you can't see that text, so make that visible, black, and I should have selected both at the same time. That's fine. Black, there we go. Right, so in the next video I'll show you how we just fix one last thing.